Good morning, everyone. Wanda Luthman, children's author here, and it's Thursday morning, and I am getting ready to go to the Florida Children's Hospital in Orlando. So I'm getting together some of my books with some related little gifts, and I'm going to put them in a gift bag and take them over there later this morning. So I wanted to show you all a little bit about what I've put together. So here we go is my very first book, and that is The Lilac Princess. And you can see the girl that gets this bag's going to have a pretty princess hat to wear. Who doesn't like that? Some multicolored hairbands, some fun tattoos, and a little eraser. Who doesn't love an eraser, right? So that's going to go in the gift bag for the Lilac Princess. And then, excuse me, next to that is Gloria and the Unicorn. And so, I'm so sorry, my voice is crackly. So when I'm out shopping and I find something I think kids might like, I grab it. So I found this fun, squishy thing that is a unicorn that I thought, oh, kids would love that. And then this tape has unicorns on it. Isn't that fun? You know how people like to make things with gosh, I can't think of the name of the tape, but tape, you know. And then, of course, another eraser and some tattoos. So that goes with Gloria and the Unicorn. All right. So over here is Little Birdie Grows Up. You can't see it because of all the stuff in front of it. But we have some fun whale stickers, some fun purple straws, some sticky pads because, you know, they might want to write notes to people in the hospital. And then here's some more fun tattoos. And that's Little Birdie Grows Up. All right. And then here's Frankie the Finicky Flamingo. And he's got a pink squish ball, and he actually lights up, so he's kind of cool. And a fun colored pencil, some more tattoos, and a Dr. Seuss eraser, because, you know, I've heard the rhymes that I make sound a lot like Dr. Seuss, which is quite a compliment in my world. And then over here is a Turtle's Magical Adventure, and he has some turtle bracelet and leather, and then a fun pencil. It doesn't have turtles on it. It has wildlife safari type stuff, a eraser, and some more fun tattoos. So that goes with a Turtle's Magical Adventure. So then I'm going to add some of my other things. These are actually magnets. They're going to just be fun. Kids like magnets, right? Let's see. Did you see that? Magnets. I don't know if I can show all this. My bookmarks, of course, go in each one. And then these are some cards I made up, which have my books on them, but on the back is a fun seek and find. So that's great. And then, of course, some business cards. Some kids like to collect those. I didn't know that till I was at an elementary school and kids were asking for my business cards. And I'm like, oh, okay, sure, you can have some of those. And then up here are the gift bags that I'm going to use to put all the stuff in. I have some pretty tissue paper to go with it. And then I'll tie it up in an okay, now here we go. And so I'm going to drive over to Orlando to the Florida Children's Hospital and drop these fun things off. I hope that it makes some children's day today. I know being in the hospital is no fun. My husband was in the hospital last year, April, for about 7 days. And I remember sitting there with him, and whenever somebody would show up at the door, I would just be jumping up and hugging their neck. Ah, somebody's here. It just really makes your day when you're in the hospital and not feeling good. And just nice to know somebody out there's thinking about you and sending you well wishes. So I think I'm hoping that my books, there'll be something to read and entertain them, get their mind off stuff, plus for them to play with while they're in the hospital. All right, so I'm going to sign off for now. If I get an opportunity while I'm at the hospital, I'll try to come back on live at that time. So thank you guys. I see Nancy and Maureen and Tracy, Lee. Hi, Deb. Candy. Ooh. Oh, my husband. That's nice. Okay, thank you all so much for chiming in here on my live, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.